have to say that it really is suited to absolutely any type of brow. Even when we have women that have gone through chemotherapy and they've gone through so much, and tattooing isn't their only solution. It isn't their only alternative. They already have been prodded and it's just such a devastating time for them. They want to come somewhere where they're going to be cared for, where we could use the TrueBrow collection, which is absolutely beautiful, to help them have a very natural looking brow without having, a brow tattooed on their face. It's for brows that are full and divine, so that, for example, if someone with beautiful full brows comes in, a TrueBrow specialist will know when nature knows best. A TrueBrow specialist is going to immediately determine how much of that brow needs to be removed and how much of it can be left for it to be its fullest, most beautiful potential. So when a brow comes in that's completely compromised, and it has been since the 90s, and we call them the 90s brows. For example, a TrueBrow specialist will know exactly how to work with that brow, where to find its potential. They will know where to leave a hair, where to take out a hair, because we're not only just restoring a brow. What we're actually doing is designing beauty. We're creating brow beauty, brow magnificence. And a lot of the time we're being told that we create brow miracles, which is just delightful. But there is no brow really that a TrueBrow specialist can't work with. Of course, there are some brows, like for example, women that have alopecia, where the collection could come in if they don't want tattooing. There's an alternative for them. But where there is no hair there, that's not our ideal client. We're not really talking about that situation. We can't do anything where there's no hair, but we certainly can support that client with a beautiful natural result with the TrueBrow collection.